Alright, quick, simple, easy video idea I had. Run engine off of aerosol. So, right now, this engine's out of fuel. No fuel. So we're going to pop the air box. There we go. And just see if it'll work. That's probably not going to work, but it might. I'm gonna set the camera down here to see if I can actually make this thing fire off. It fired. Fired off of aerosol. Holy smokes, it's working off of aerosol. That's cool. I'm gonna see if I can't. I'm gonna get a roll of paper towels, and we're gonna see if we can't make this work for longer. Alright, let's see if we can really do this. Proof of concept. It works. There you go. That's easy video. It works. It runs off of aerosol. So there you go. That's literally the entire video.